teeth. Man, I just wish my knees didn't hit my steering wheel so much. Oh wait, I got a steezy new wheel. OMP 2-spoke. We're gonna try to put this in today.
Step 1.
Well, this isn't gonna be a tutorial because literally everybody ever knows how to install a steering wheel.
Just pull off the rubber.
So we pull out the stash compartment here. Ooh. Oh, did you lock it, you cunt?
No?
Why did it move so much?
This is the Volvo.
Sick. That was really easy. Thread it on a little bit, I guess, to... I feel like this wheel's been off before.
Yeah,
that came off really easy.
Too easy.
That's a beefy hub. This thing's gonna be like here.
Yeah.
That's sick. I'm actually really stoked with that. The old Draco doing work. Honestly, I think this is good.
Just that? Yeah. Yeah, just do that
Just
when
do
you
that.
need to honk.
Ripping tandem fucker. Jesus. Rock solid. I kinda wish it was more than just a sticker, but yeah. Ooh, that's shiny. Damn. Nice. So I think we should explain that not only did this get a steering wheel in it, but also I recently cranked up the boost from 7 to about 12-ish PSI. So 5 extra pounds of boost, and it's definitely noticeable. It's quite a bit faster than before. Yeah, I mean, it definitely accelerates. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this thing fucking moves.
Oh my god. This is 4th. That's 4th?
I've never done this in
What? It's so fast in 4th. No. Holy shit. Oh my god. Yeah, for real.
I can't see anything with this shape.
Oh, you should probably take them off then. You can't see anything. I love this corner. No, these tires are good.
Yeah.
Still a little bumpy.
This thing's so fun.
It's okay, it's still good. It's still on your dash.
Still going.
Yeah. Oh my god.